Easy channel, and today under physics we'll be discussing quantization of electric charges. Firstly, Benjamin Franklin, he said that in his time he said that charges are continuous. But in this modern day, scientists then discover that charges are not continuous, that charges are in discrete form. That is to say, they don't move from one point to another. So recently, we found out that they gave the fundamental charge the symbol E, and E has the magnitude of 1.602 times 10 raised to the power of negative 19 coulombs, and electric charge has a negative magnitude, that is negative E, or negative 1.602 times 10 raised to the power minus 19, and proton has a positive electron. So, but recently, scientists discovered the charge named quarks in 1963, and quarks are either positive or negative 1/3 of electron, or positive or negative 2/3 of electron. So quarks are just postulates in physics. They have not been seen in complex experiments. It's just a postulate in physics, but quarks are not directly observed experimentally. Now, for definition of quantization, charge quantization is the principle which says that the charge of an object is an integer n of the multiple of the element charge. Charge quantization is the principle that the charge of an object is an integer n, multiple of the element charge. That is, quantization is an integer. This is the integer here. Any number can be used to replace integer here, and multiplied by the given electron. So Q is equals to positive or negative integer, whether 2 or 3 or 4, times the given magnitude of electron. So let's solve this example together. Now we are with a very simple example here, which is a polythene piece rubbed with wool is found to have a negative charge of 3.2 times 10 raised to the power 7 coulombs. Question says we should calculate the number of electron transferred. To solve this solution, so the only given data here is our quantity of charge here. It has a negative charge of 3.2. Note the word negative, that is, it is minus 3.2 times 10 raised to the power negative 7 coulombs. Now, to solve this, we know that Q is equal to the number of charge times the given electron. So we have to find n. This will n will be equals to Q over E, which is equals to minus 3.2 times 10 to the power minus 7 coulombs over, and our electron here is negative E, that is negative 1.602 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs. So solving this with your calculator, this will give us 2 times 10 to the power 12 coulomb cancel coulomb. This is number, it has no unit. So this is how simple you have the idea of quantization of electric charge. The fundamental symbol, the electron has negative charge, about quarks, and so on and so on. So stay tuned for more solutions.